Hello. Everybody's talking about playing with the secondary jets and whatnot. And one way you guys can figure out if you need to go to a bigger jet or not is if you're into it full throttle and the car feels like it's surging or it's just falling off, like just not pulling as hard. This air door, as you can see, there's a tab that hits this part of the butterfly. What that does, that sets the distance from the air wall to the leading edge of the butterfly. Factory spec is to be set at 1/2 inch. Now, what you can do is that you can bend that little tab to close this off a little bit to say 0.440 to about 0.480, and that'll hold it closed a little bit more. And in doing that, you're creating more vacuum signal, which is going to draw more fuel through the spray bars because it's stronger vacuum. And it's actually going to richen up your air fuel mixture a little bit. So that's a quick way to try something. The jetting system goes in stages of 3. So like 125. Well, actually, that's not a good example. But 143 to 137 is a 6-step. Well, that's like 2 steps, huge jump in jet size. So when you go to adjust this air door and close it, you're doing a variable jet virtually between the 131 to 137 to the 143. Okay. So 137 is very common on most engines, and doing this adjustment will give you a lot of flexibility on a lot of different cam setups. 400s or big bore strokers like that, you'll want to run the 143s at least, maybe run a little closed. You can do a 149 or a 152, but that's not typical street carb calibration at that point.